Hello students, I am Pushpalata Kadam from Samarpan Gyan School. Today we are going to study EVS Class 5 Chapter 2 A Snake Charmer's Story. Students, you know some things about snake, right? In this lesson we are going to study more about snakes. There is a boy named Aryanath. He belongs to a Kalbelia family. Who is a Kalbelias? Kalbelias are the people who keep snakes, okay, and they earn by making the snakes dance. Okay, they make snakes dance by playing the bean, right? Okay, so he has learned this art from his family. Okay, and these people are known as the Kalbelias. Here, can you see in this picture a Kalbelia and he is playing the bean, right? His father was, his grandfather was Roshan Naji, and he was famous amongst their people, that is the Kalbelias. Okay, he would catch many snakes, that is, even he could catch poisonous snakes, and he would tell many stories about his past to Aryanath. Okay, so in this lesson, we are going to study about what his grandfather, that is Roshan Naji, told him, right? Here you can see that from the time of his grandfather and great grandfathers, they have all been saperas. Saperas means snake charmers. Okay, and snakes are a very important part of their life, right? They move from village to village carrying snakes in bamboo baskets. They stopped in the village and crowd would gather around them, and they would take out the snake from their baskets and play the bean, and the snakes would dance on the beans, right? They also gave medicines to people. These medicines were collected from plants from the forest, right? And if a snake bite a person, then they would give the person medicines, okay, because they had the knowledge about the herbs, the different herbs in the forest, right? And in this way they would help the people because hospitals were very far away, and so the medicine given by these people would help the people if the snake bit them, right? In this picture you can see a bamboo basket and a snake and the Kalbelias, that is a snake charmer, playing his bean. Okay, and people gather around him to watch the show. Okay, in this way they used to entertain the people, right? And what did people give them? People would give them money or food grain. Okay, and with the help of that they could manage their life. Okay, they were also called by people if snake bit them, right? Okay, so catching snake was a thing which he did from his childhood, and they were used to entertain people by this. But children today, how do you entertain yourself, or how do the people in today's age entertain themselves? Okay, they don't need all these things like snake charmers and all. They have TVs. Okay, they watch TV for entertainment. Okay, and his father also taught him how to remove the poisonous teeth. The poisonous teeth of snakes are called fangs. Okay, he taught him how to close the tube of poison in the snake's mouth. Okay, there is a tube, that is a poisonous gland, and the poisonous gland is connected to the fangs with a tube. So if the tube is removed, the poison, even if the snake bites, the poison won't reach the person, will not enter the person's body. So the poisonous snakes are removed, sorry, the poisonous tubes are removed. Okay, and once it, or it is closed, and after doing this the snake is not harmful. Okay, right? Okay, children, nowadays government has made a law that no one can catch wild animals and keep them. Okay, why is this law made? Because some people kill wild animals for their skin and they sell their skin at high prices. Okay, and they also kills elephants for their tusks. Okay, and snakes are also killed for their skin. Tigers are also killed for their skin. Okay, so in this way, the people who kill snakes for their livelihood are called poachers, right? And it is not good to do this, because if this wild animals are killed in this way, it is going to disturb the balance in our ecosystem, that is in our environment. Okay, so it is not good to kill wild animals, and so the government has made the law that you should not kill wild animals or keep wild animals. So, but the Kalbelias, that the snake charmers, they never kill snakes. Okay, they consider snakes to be their treasure. Okay, and they keep the snakes in good condition. They take care of their snakes. Okay, if they wanted, they could have earned a lot of money by killing snakes, but they don't kill snakes. Okay, the snakes are their treasure. They pass this from one generation to another generation. They even give snakes to their daughters when they get married. Okay, and in Kalbelias they also have a dance. That dance is having movements similar to the dance of a snake, right? In this picture, what do you see, children? There is a Kalbelia, there is a bean party. Okay, and they have different musical instruments. What are the musical instruments you see here? Different musical instruments like bean, tumba, khanjiri, and dhol. Okay, and except dhol, all the other three instruments are made from dried gourd. Okay, that is a lauki. Okay, okay. And here also you can see they are making the Kalbelia dance. This person is doing the Kalbelia dance. Kalbelia dance has movements which are similar to the movements of a snake, right? Okay. And children, do you know snakes are called farmers' friend? Why are snakes called farmers' friends? Because they eat the rats in the field. Okay. If the snakes eat the rats, if the rats are not eaten by the snakes, the rats will make a lot of nuisance to the crops. Okay, they eat the crops and they spoil the crops. But if there are snakes, they eat the rats, and in this way they help the farmers. So the snakes are called farmers' friends. Okay, here in this picture, children, you can see which is this animal. This is a lion, and he is in a cage. Okay, so what do you think? Is this lion happy by being in the cage? No, it is not good to keep animals in cage, right? Because animals also have feelings like us. Okay, so it is not good to treat animals in this way. Okay, you should be empathetic, that is, you should have feelings for the animals, right? You see, in a circus or in the road, some animals are being used for entertainment. Which are the animals which are used in circus for entertainment? Lions, some birds. Okay, they are used for entertainment in circus. Okay, and in order to train them, they are beaten or they are given punishments. Okay, and that is not good. Even some animals like monkeys, they are used to show for a show on the road. Okay, road shows, and their masters, they earn money by doing this. But the animals, they are ill treated. Okay, they are not happy. It's not good to treat animals in this way. Even when you go to zoo, you should not tease animals, because animals also have feelings like us. Okay, children? Okay, now in this picture, you can see there are the different types of snakes. Okay, there are many kinds of snakes found in our country, but only 4 types of snakes are poisonous. They are the cobra, common krait, Russell's viper, that is Duboia, saw-scaled viper, a fly. Okay. A snake has two hollow teeth. I already told you the poisonous teeth. They are called the fangs. Okay. And when the snake bites, the poison enters the person's body through the fangs. But there is medicine for snake bites, and this medicine is made from the snake's poison, and it is available in all government hospitals. Okay, children, here there is an activity. You can make a puppet, snake puppet, by using an old pair of socks. Okay, so here is the activity. It is given in your textbook. You can do this activity and you can make a snake puppet. Okay, children, have you understood this lesson? Read this lesson. Practice reading. Okay, children, thank you.